Hi everybody, Mark from AMES. Let's learn about the crown dial adjustment on the AMES flat box. So here we have the dial. The dial has 1 through 5 numbers on that, and it has 2 posts that it pushes down on by increasing. If you can see, if we push it onto 3, it pushes onto these 2 posts, onto the brass and onto the blade. So at a higher number, there's less material that's left on the joint. Lower number, or 0 or no pressure, there's the maximum amount of material that can be left on the joint. The brass blade holder is flat, it should be flat, and as you push on it, it crowns it out, so it leaves less material. Now on the higher boxes, like the 12-inch, it would be on like 3, perhaps. On the lower boxes, 7 or 10, it would be on 1 or 0, depending on the joint. Thanks for watching.
To learn more about ATF tools, visit the video resource library on our website, amestools.com.